Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can install and use the AIPRM ChatGPT Chrome extension. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Chrome Web Store. So once you open Chrome Web Store, here you need to search for AIPRM for ChatGPT. Hit enter. And you need to install this extension. Click on that and click on add to Chrome. So it is now checking, and click on add extension. So now you can see that this extension is added. So let me switch off the VPN. Okay, and here you need to search for ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT, click on try ChatGPT. So now you can see that it is added. So from here in this extension you can select the language, tone, writing style, as anyone that you want to add. So these are many things that you can do with this extension. And you can if you want output in, you can say this language, so you can search and you will get the output in this language, and you can do different things with this extension. So this is a process by which you can install and use the AIPRM ChatGPT Chrome extension. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.